Hello everyone, my name is Nevi Pebiani Putri Hermawan. Today I would like to present my business idea called Butterscotch Coffee and Matcha. Your slogan is sweet tasty, first energy and efficient. Let's begin. Your business focus in selling delicious coffee and matcha drinks. We use premium ingredients and prepare everything fresh after customer order. Your goal is to provide high quality beverage up at affordable price for everyone. Nowadays, many people need refreshing drink while studying or working. However, many drinks are too sweet, expensive, or made with low quality ingredients. Your solution is to offer fresh, delicious, and affordable drinks made for premium ingredients. We have two main products. The first is butterscotch coffee made with premium coffee beans, first milk, and butterscotch syrup. It has a rich caramel flavor and smooth tasty. The second is matcha latte made with high quality matcha powder and fresh milk and tasted creamy and refreshed. We also offer a combo package at a special price. Your product have several advantages. We use premium coffee beans, high quality matcha powder and fresh milk. The sweetness is balanced, so the drinks are not too sweet. Every drink is made only after customer place their order, making it fresher. We also maintain cleanliness and health during the preparation process. Your target customer are students, office worker, coffee lovers, and matcha lovers. To promote your product, we use Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp, and food delivery application. We also offer promotion such buy to get one, student discount, and loyalty card to attract more customers. In conclusion, butterscotch coffee and matcha offer delicious, fresh, and affordable beverage made from premium ingredients. We believe your drink can be the perfect choice for anyone who wants a refreshed drink. Thank you for your attention. We hope you will try your products. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye bye.